How do I know if I have dental coverage? If a cosmetic procedure is being prepared as it could facilitate a person's well-being or would avert a crisis in the long run, they might be agreeable to cover it, though you pretty much have to cross your fingers since those instances are vastly unusual. Dental implant assurance is designed to cover the rate of getting dental implants set within your jaws to take the place of teeth that have been lost due to a mishap or tooth corrosion. When you lose a permanent mature tooth, there is not a great deal that could be done to change it, leaving you with the option of carrying on in time, missing the tooth, or waiting till you can get a set of fake teeth completed for you. Occasionally your teeth could be reattached if it is knocked out owing to an accident and acknowledged in an adequate amount of time by the dentist. More frequently than not, the tooth is no more. A dental implant is a simulated tooth root that is attached to your jaws and then roofed with a fake tooth or connected to a bridge if there is more than one. They do not rely on your other teeth for support, as they are actually implanted into the gums and bone of your jaw, giving you a natural look and feel. When your mouth has healed from the treatment, you will forget that the replacement tooth isn't the one you grew up with. Dental implants are an option to bridges and dentures, although they are pricey. If your dental cover offers coverage for dental implants, it may well come with a prerequisite that you need to have the policy for a set period of time before it would cover this treatment. Additionally, you may have to be free of pre-existing conditions in order for them to pay for the outlay of the implants. You want to be very familiar with your current insurance plan before you agree to arrange dental implant surgery. You do not have to be part way in the course of action thinking that your insurance will compensate me for it, when in all reality they should not. Also, dental implants are ordinarily considered cosmetic surgery unless there are extenuating state of affairs needing the treatment. The depressing truth of this is that it has been confirmed that implants are better for your general health, but the indemnity agencies monitoring your plan do not understand it that way. They like better that you go off with the less expensive result, even if you have busted or knocked out a tooth that cannot be salvaged. Dental assurance more often than not provides you with basic dental coverage. A few dental plans supply limited benefits for orthodontic treatments such as braces. Veneers are regularly thought to be an optional cosmetic treatment, can rate on top of $1,000 and are not covered within most dental assurance plans. With the growing cost of visiting the dentist, a lot of individuals are struggling with the decision of whether or not to pay for dental insurance. Whether you are considering buying dental indemnity by way of your employer or as an individual, be assured to look into numerous different policies and post queries concerning the points listed underneath. This information might aid you to go for the most appropriate dental cover plan before signing on the dotted line. The year-on-year upper limit is the most cash that the dental assurance policy should give inside one full year. The 12-monthly upper limit would repeatedly recommence every year. If you have unused benefits, these could not roll over. Most dental insurance providers allow an average annual maximum of $1,000. Dental cover is considered to include your general dentistry requirements, and in a few cases, by means of better dental plans, they could protect orthodontics and procedures that have to be completed for dental health reasons, not visual or cosmetic reasons. Treatments such as porcelain veneers and dental implants are normally referred to as non-compulsory treatments, parallel to breast augmentation or liposuction. Given that they are voluntary, insurance is not a realistic alternative, and if a dentist is identifying a system to place your veneers or cosmetic dentistry procedure through dental indemnity, you should be exceptionally watchful you are not committing insurance fraud.